Happy Friday, everyone. I am over in beautiful Fleming Island. I'm over at the tutorial job. I want to give you a quick overview of this beautiful job with our awesome customers. So, y'all met up with us, what, June? December 26th?
Right after Christmas.
Right after Christmas. And we did a beautiful design. And check this out. We got mini pebble, stonescapes, brand name, installed by certified installers, which is key. We got shellac, 12 by 24, a beautiful flush spa. And what I like is the black granite on the flush spa. Kind of pops with the black smokeless fire pit in the back. Got some very nice benches. Love the sun shelf. We did strip tiles on the steps to kind of highlight that area, as well as the spa and the bench. And always our extra special triple head, 4-head, and our pulsator massagers. As you know, nobody else that I know of offers these, and it's very special because you actually get a pretty darn good massage. So I just want to give you an overview of everything. Beautiful teal water. Oh, we also did all the landscaping. They went up to Unique Palms and Plants, picked up their plants they wanted. We planted the soft tissue, and of course, Danny with Unique Palms and Plants, his team planted the big palms and in the front. So, how was your overall experience?
Awesome.
Great experience?
Oh yeah.
I think we said shovel to sim was right around 90 days.
It was.
So see, you know, and y'all were great. Y'all were really fun to work with.
Thank you.
And you know what I have to say? All we work with is fun people. I know it's just happiness. And they also got to have family down from Georgia.
Yep.
It's like a little family reunion, and the kids got together, and everybody got along, was happy.
Oh yeah.
Enjoyed their beautiful new space. So, what was your favorite thing about the job? You think?
For me, it was just watching the whole process, just enjoying everybody doing their thing and what they were really good at, and just watching it all to come together as a whole.
Nice. And Mr. Tutor, what was your favorite part?
Same thing, watching them work, and I wish we would have done it sooner.
Wish we'd have done it sooner. See, y'all, the prices aren't going down. Unfortunately, they're going up. All the Pentair equipment just went up almost 7%. So don't miss out on the opportunity to get something beautiful like this in your backyard. Fall is here and prices are cooling off. So what would you rank your job if you had to give us from 1 to 5 stars?
5.
5.
100%.
5-star. Thank you so much. We appreciate the business. And hey, awesome people. God bless you all out there. Have a blessed, safe weekend. And I tell you what, they are getting swimming. Y'all have a great day. Take care. See y'all later. Bye-bye.